Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually find your archived Instagram stories. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to see your archived Instagram stories. So maybe your story might have expired a long time ago. You want to go ahead and find them. You're not being able to figure out how. Don't worry, all of the stories that you haven't deleted maybe and you just let it expire like that would have been moved to your archive folder. And in this video, we're going to just learn how we can find those archived Instagram stories. So make sure to stick around till the end. First of all, if you haven't updated the Instagram app, you could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. So if you're not logged in, you have to make sure to enter your email address and your password. And after you log in, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. What you have to do is, from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you have to simply tap on your profile icon or your profile picture. So go ahead and simply tap on the Instagram profile photo. Once you tap on the Instagram profile photo, you're going to be taken to your profile page. What you have to do is, from the top right hand side, you can see there's 3 horizontal lines icon. So you have to basically tap on these 3 horizontal lines. As you tap on it, right here at the bottom of the screen, you'll find this second option which says archive right under the settings tab and above the your activity button. You have the option called archive. So you have to basically simply tap on the archive button. As you tap on archive, by default you'll already be taken to the stories archive. But in case if it is not switched to the stories, just at the top you can see this button which says stories archive. You have to tap on it, and if it is somewhere between, let's say, post archive or something like that, you have to go ahead and simply switch to the stories archive. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of stories which you have uploaded in the past. All of it has actually been moved to your archive folder depending upon your date. If you want to sort them by date, you can simply swipe right and can get to this calendar section. You could go ahead and simply select any of the date in which you uploaded a story. If you want to actually sort by location, that in case you have added a location sticker to your stories, they will appear on this map and only you can see your archive. And this is basically how you could very easily see your archived Instagram stories. Now you could go ahead and actually save this photo again or share it as a post as well. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.